My husband's birthday is next week and he is an absolute Lego fanatic. So I got him this from Toyamba. It's a Lego or block building mug. So let's open it up. Perfect for gifts. The box itself has a ribbon right on it. Dun, dun, dun. Here it is. It says Toyamba right here. I mean, yeah, this is Lego brick material. How cool is it, right? It's a good size mug. It actually is super comfortable to hold. I was worried that this would be like too pokey because I noticed in pictures this, not at all uncomfortable. Great to hold, nice and thick. Give it a good wash, obviously, before you use it. Inside, each box comes with building kits. I'm guessing this one has a little Lego man because it's got a head of hair in there. This one has some sort of elastic thing. And then this one looks like maybe something aquatic or plant-based. I better put this away before he comes in. Pretend you never saw me here. Hope that was helpful.